Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I clean and prepare Haitian tilapia. Seafood is a big staple in our household and this is one of our favorite ways to enjoy it. First off, these are the ingredients you will need to clean and marinate your tilapia. I will start by removing all the fins from the fish. Everyone does not do this, sometimes they leave them for looks, but I prefer to get everything off from the get-go so it's easier to eat. This is what it looks like when all the fins are removed, and now we are going to move on to descaling the fish. So if you buy your tilapia in the United States, most likely it is partially descaled, but they always miss a few scales, especially towards the head area. You will want to run your knife blade from tail to head against the skin to remove whatever's left. Once that's done, I will be opening the fish up and slicing it down the spine to make sure to remove everything that's inside of there and just open it up so that it can get salt and flavor all the way through the meat. This next step is the most vital. Do not forget to do it. Here you're going to be removing the gills and the tongue out of the fish. If you leave the gills, any part of the gill, and you start to cook it, it's going to make your meat bitter and not good. So you want to make sure you get it all out. Then you can start scraping the inside of the fish and removing anything inside that is not meat. From there, you'll give it a good rinse inside and out with cold water. Then you will cut 3 slits on either side of the fish to allow the salt to penetrate down into the meat. Take your lime and slice it in half. We will be using one half to clean the fish and the other will be reserved for the marinade. Start by squeezing it, rubbing it inside and out. Same thing with the salt. We are going to be sprinkling all of the fish inside and out and then rub it in. And then rinse it well again with cold water. Now we are ready to marinate it. We are going to start by sprinkling it generously with salt and our other spices on both sides as well as inside. Then we will add 1 heaping spoonful of épices. If you haven't made your épices, go back and watch my video of how to do that. It is a necessary ingredient in order to make this fish. Add the juice from the other half of your lime and then massage all of those ingredients in. Now that we are done with the marinade, set that aside for about 30 minutes to let the flavors mix. Add a few tablespoons of oil to a skillet, preferably avocado oil or some other high heat oil. And we will turn the stove on to medium-high heat. Let that heat up. Once it's heated thoroughly, grab a tomato. We're going to cut this into chunks and let it fry in the oil. In addition to the fresh tomato, I add a tablespoon of tomato paste as well. Mix this up and let it fry until it looks about like this. Add your fish. Go ahead and dump the remaining liquid into the pan, and then add water to the bowl and swirl it around to rinse out the rest of the marinade. Dump this on top of the fish as well. Go ahead and cover the pan and let it cook, from time to time uncovering it and ladling some of the juice on top of the fish to make sure that it's cooking evenly. After about 10 or 15 minutes, you'll want to taste the sauce to make sure that it has enough salt. If it doesn't, you can add extra salt at this time. I am doing so Haitian style. And mine was good, so I didn't add anything. When it's almost cooked, throw in some sliced green peppers, onions, and butter. And stir just a little bit to distribute those evenly, and the butter to both sides of the fish. At this point, I'm going to flip my tilapia over to make sure that both sides are well cooked. Ladle the sauce over again and leave it for just a few more minutes. And it looks like it's done. Serve with rice and bean sauce or boiled plantains. Enjoy!